a cicada.
Hello, Zoe. You doing here, Mr. Cicada? Look. Go back out the door. Yeah, you can disturb him. He wants to go in there. There we go. Right, so Zoe and Yellow are in their new home, and now they're getting some new little friends. This will be interesting to see how Zoe reacts to these two guys. Well, hopefully it's not two guys, hopefully it's a guy and a girl. Let's go inside. Oh, Zoe, don't be a little bugger. Leave Yellow alone. Unfortunately, I haven't got my seat in here yet. There'll be a seat in here in the next few days. Maybe by the end of today. Zoe? Zoe? Be nice! I was going to say he's your only friend, but he's not anymore. Because in the box we have a couple of little quail. These are silver Chinese painted quail. Kind of pretty silver, isn't it? Right guys, welcome to your new home. Hey, they can fly pretty good. Woo! Right, careful guys, don't go doing that too often. That's why I said to keep it open. They'll be shooting out that door every time we open it. What do you reckon, guys? Better than we were, eh? Didn't have any greenery and soil to scratch around in. I'm not quite sure, but I'm guessing this is the male, judging by his face. I'm not sure, I don't know too much about quail. Not your lunch, Woody. Food bowls over here. Alright Zoe, come down and meet these two. You're not allowed to be nasty. These guys will help clean up all the seed laying around that Zoe and Yellow flick about the place. Particularly Zoe's very messy. Who's that, Swinny? What are you doing, Zoe? You're a funny little bird. Who's that, Woody? Who's that?